Pasadena homeowners value bright, open living spaces that feel connected to the outdoors. Whether overlooking a backyard, garden, or neighborhood streetscape, having a clear and expansive view can transform how a room feels and functions. Bow windows are especially effective at creating panoramic outdoor views while adding elegance and visual depth to a home. For homes in Pasadena, bow windows offer a unique way to enjoy broader sightlines and a more open living experience. A curved design that expands the view, unlike flat windows that frame a single, narrow perspective, bow windows are made up of multiple window panels arranged in a gentle curve. This curved design naturally widens the field of view. In Pasadena homes, bow windows allow homeowners to see more of the surrounding landscape at once, creating a sweeping, panoramic effect that standard windows simply can't match. Bringing the outdoors into living spaces, bow windows create a stronger visual connection between indoor and outdoor spaces. The extended glass surface allows natural scenery to become part of the room's design. For Pasadena residents, this connection enhances everyday living by making rooms feel more open, relaxing, and visually engaging. Allowing light from multiple angles, panoramic views are enhanced by the way bow windows bring in natural light. Because they face multiple directions, bow windows capture sunlight throughout the day. In Pasadena homes, this multi-angle light enhances outdoor views by eliminating glare and shadows, keeping scenery clear and vibrant from morning to evening. Creating a sense of depth and dimension, bow windows project outward from the exterior wall, adding physical depth to the window area. This depth enhances the visual experience by extending the sightline beyond the home's interior. For Pasadena living spaces, this added dimension makes rooms feel larger and more immersive, amplifying the panoramic effect. Framing outdoor features beautifully. Bow windows act as natural frames for outdoor elements such as gardens, patios, or mature trees. Each window panel contributes to a continuous visual flow. In Pasadena neighborhoods, bow windows highlight outdoor features and turn views into focal points within the home. Enhancing relaxation and everyday enjoyment, a wider outdoor view can have a calming effect. Bow windows create inviting spots where homeowners can sit, relax, and enjoy the scenery. For Pasadena families, living rooms or dining areas with bow windows feel more peaceful and enjoyable, especially when natural views are part of daily routines. Pairing views with interior design flexibility, the curved space created by bow windows often becomes a natural design feature. Homeowners can incorporate seating, plants, or decorative accents without blocking views. In Pasadena homes, this flexibility enhances both functionality and aesthetics while preserving panoramic sightlines. Supporting comfort with modern window technology, modern bow windows are designed to deliver wide views without compromising indoor comfort. Advanced glass options help manage heat while keeping views clear. For Pasadena homeowners, this means enjoying expansive outdoor views while maintaining a comfortable indoor environment. Professional installation ensures clear sightlines. To achieve true panoramic views, bow windows must be installed precisely. Proper alignment ensures each panel contributes to a seamless view. Professional installation ensures bow windows in Pasadena homes deliver uninterrupted sightlines and reliable performance. A panoramic upgrade for Pasadena homes. Bow windows transform how homeowners experience their surroundings. By expanding sightlines, enhancing natural light, and creating visual depth, they offer panoramic outdoor views that elevate everyday living. For Pasadena homes, bow windows provide a beautiful way to connect with the outdoors while adding lasting style and comfort.